Imagine waking up tomorrow with zero pressure to compare yourself to anyone. In a world flooded with highlight reels of other people's lives, what would it feel like to live your own fully and unapologetically? That's not just peace, it's freedom, and the Stoics knew it well. We live in a time where comparison is constant. Every scroll, every conversation, every success story can make you question your own journey. But here's the truth the Stoics understood deeply. Comparison isn't just a bad habit, it's a barrier to your peace, growth, and happiness. In this video, I'm going to show you why you should never compare yourself to anyone, and how Stoic principles can help you break free from that toxic cycle and finally live your path. Point 1. Comparison clouds your personal journey. The moment you compare yourself to others, you begin to lose sight of your own path. Each person has a different set of circumstances, strengths, weaknesses, and values. So when you measure your progress against theirs, it's like running your race but watching their finish line. You'll either feel behind or get distracted by their milestones and miss your own. Marcus Aurelius once said, "Don't waste time on what others are doing or not doing. Your path is yours alone." Every small step is a part of your personal growth. When you stop comparing and start focusing on your own journey, you'll be surprised how clear the road ahead becomes. Embrace your individuality and stop measuring your success through someone else's lens. 2. True growth comes from self-reflection, not comparison. The key to personal growth isn't found in someone else's success. It's found in your ability to look within. The Stoics taught that real improvement comes from self-awareness, not from chasing external benchmarks. The only comparison that matters is between who you are now and who you were yesterday. Are you improving even a little? Then you're on the right path. Seneca said, "A gem cannot be polished without friction, nor a man perfected without trials," which means setbacks, struggle, and even small progress are all parts of your growth. The goal isn't to compete with others, it's to compete with yourself, to improve, to grow, to walk your own path without needing to compare it. Once you stop comparing and start walking your own path, everything becomes clearer. But the moment you shift your gaze outward again, you invite negativity into your inner world. Whether you're comparing careers, relationships, or personal milestones, the more you focus on someone else's success, the more you dim your own sense of fulfillment. This constant outward focus creates inner chaos. You start doubting your choices, second-guessing your abilities, and questioning your worth. But real peace, true peace, comes from within. The Stoics taught that we can't control how others live or what they achieve, but we can always control how we respond. So if you truly want peace, stop looking to others for validation. Instead, focus on your own actions. Be content with your own journey. When you stop comparing, you'll discover a deeper sense of contentment, one that comes from trusting your own path. 4. External success does not define your worth in today's world. It's easy to believe success is measured by money, fame, status, or achievements. But that's the exact trap the Stoics warned us about. True success has nothing to do with how much you have or how others see you. It's about living in alignment with your values, practicing virtue, and focusing only on what's within your control. Your worth is not based on external conditions. As Epictetus said, it's not what happens to you, but how you react to it that matters. So, focus inward. Build traits like integrity, patience, and wisdom. That's how you live meaningfully, not by chasing praise, but by becoming someone who doesn't need it. Comparison only distracts you from your true purpose. Your worth is intrinsic, and it comes from how you carry yourself, not how others perceive you. 5. Comparison breeds envy, and envy blocks growth. Comparison often opens the door to envy. You see someone else succeed, and instead of being happy for them, you feel resentful or insecure. That envy doesn't motivate. It poisons your mindset. It convinces you that you should have what they have, but it offers nothing useful in return. The Stoics knew envy corrodes from within. It doesn't hurt the person you envy, it harms you. So when envy creeps in, turn inward. Reflect on your own unique qualities and strengths. Use that emotion as a mirror. Ask, why am I feeling this way? What does it reveal about my own unmet needs? When you pause and ask, why did I feel jealous? You're already taking the first step towards self-awareness, because emotions, even the uncomfortable ones, can become powerful tools for growth if you learn how to use them wisely. The Stoics believe that every challenge and every negative emotion, even envy, can become an opportunity to improve. Instead of rejecting these feelings, learn to reframe and transform them. Yes, envy might feel natural at times, but if you shift your perspective, it can become a fire that fuels deeper self-awareness and stronger personal development. 6. The only comparison that matters is with your own potential. Here's a truth worth remembering. The only meaningful comparison is between who you are now and who you used to be. You were born with nearly limitless potential, but it can only be unlocked when you focus fully on your own path. When you stop comparing yourself to others, you allow yourself the freedom to grow at your own pace, to gradually become the person you were meant to be. Every step forward, no matter how small, is progress, and it matters because it's yours. When you measure yourself by your own potential, you align your daily effort with your highest purpose. As Marcus Aurelius said, the happiness of your life depends on the quality of your thoughts. So, nurture those thoughts, build your character, and strive day by day to be the best version of yourself. Instead of looking at others and wondering why they're ahead, turn inward and ask, am I better today than I was yesterday? Your growth is unique. It doesn't need to be compared to anyone else's. Comparing yourself to others is not only pointless, it's what prevents you from reaching your full potential. The Stoics taught us that real peace and growth come from looking inward, focusing on our own actions, and letting go of outside distractions. Your journey is unlike any other, and it deserves your complete attention. When you embrace Stoic wisdom and release the habit of comparison, you'll discover greater clarity, peace, and purpose in life. So always remember, stop comparing, start growing, and trust that your path is the one that truly matters.